What is going on in Italy? Coronavirus case numbers are on the rise. Omicron variant is in the air and there are restrictions now in place. If you want to visit Milan, want to visit Rome, or here in Florence, what does that mean for you, the international traveler? Italy is clamping down on the unvaccinated and trying to make traveling safer and more secure amid fears of the new Omicron variant and rising case numbers here in Italy. US President Joe Biden, acting on the Center for Disease Control Research and other data, has placed restrictions on those traveling into the US, and other countries are doing the same this 2021 holiday season heading into 2022. In Italy, starting December 6th, tomorrow, new rules come into place. And what does that mean for you, the international traveler who wants to visit Milan, Rome, or even here in Florence? I'm going to update you on all the new travel restrictions and travel rules. And please let me know down in the comments, let the other subscribers know what, if any, travel restrictions are in your area. Starting December 6th, Italians will have to be fully vaccinated with the Super Green Pass to enter restaurants, museums, and theaters, and that applies to all non-Italians as well here in Italy, including tourists. Those coming from Japan, the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, Israel will be able to show their vaccination card in lieu of the Super Green Pass, providing they completed their last vaccination cycle in the last 14 days. Also starting on December 6th, tomorrow, some places that didn't require proof of vaccination will now require it, and those include hotels and all public transportation. The Italian government is concerned about the rising number of coronavirus cases. We've gone from 2,000 new COVID cases a day in October to now 17,000 new COVID cases a day. And starting also on December 6th, we will have a second region in the yellow zone. Tomorrow, Trentino Alto Adige will join Friuli Venezia Giulia in becoming a yellow zone, simply because their hospitals are at their threshold. Remember last year we had that ranking system. White is nothing at the lowest, then we have yellow, orange, and red. And the Italian government is monitoring the situation over the coming weeks, and we could see more regions become a yellow region. And in yellow regions, people must wear masks outdoors and in indoor public spaces. These horse carriage tourists are bad. You shouldn't do that if you're visiting. Have you visited Europe recently, or do you have a trip planned on the horizon? Let me know down in the comments and what you're planning on to expect or what you experienced when you were over here. Currently, these rules apply to everybody. If you're Italian or if you're not Italian, you're gonna need to show that health pass or a green pass, the super pass, whatever you have, your vaccination card, you're gonna need to show that when you're here. Early on, tourists reported having problems when they visited Italy, and in some places they were refused despite showing a vaccination card, a CDC vaccination card or something similar. The only other option you have is converting your vaccination card to one of these super green passes or a green pass, but that can only be done once you're here in Italy. The most pressing concern is for those who already have tickets booked to come to Italy and how their passes or cards will be recognized in the hotels, museums, and restaurants once they're here on the ground. Italy recognizes each country differently, and currently it recognizes all EU member passes when they come here to the country, and they recognize the country's cards for those visitors coming from the UK, Canada, and the US CDC card. But my advice to everyone is be informed and stay up to date before you travel.